You won't see this coming. A marvel that you can prepare in just 5 minutes. Hello, Sweet Tooth crew. Enjoy oatmeal for breakfast or dessert in just 5 minutes of work with a mouth-watering result. The first thing I do is take a plain unsweetened yogurt and put it in a large bowl. So we cut it open and add it in. Here we're going to add oats, instant oats, rolled oats, or oat flakes. I'm going to add 8 or 9 tablespoons. And once we have this magic ingredient that's going to give it thickness, we top it off with a tablespoon of chia seeds, which will help everything gel up a bit. We moisten it with 100 milliliters or half a cup of milk, and the magic is done. All that's left is to give it an extra touch of flavor, in my case with this jam that, as you can see, says no added sugar. So it's perfect for a healthy recipe like this. Only natural sugars. We stir it a bit like with any jam, and I'm going to add a good spoonful inside. And now, let's mix it. All that's left is to stir it around so the mixture absorbs the moisture. And once you have a more or less uniform texture, let it rest for about 10 minutes. That's enough. But if you want to prepare it the night before, even better. That way, you just get up and start enjoying it. Although, let me tell you a little secret. It's not just an energy-packed breakfast, but you can also use it perfectly for other things. For any dessert. That's the key, like I said. At least let it cool down a little. When you try it, you won't believe the magic you've created. You can also give it different twists. So I hope you'll tell me in the comments if you're going to add honey, if you're going to add jam, if you're going to add syrup, or if you're going to add any other kind of magic. And before I go, since I was about to leave, I'm going to tell you an easy way to enjoy it. First, look at that texture. Fluffy, creamy, I don't know how to describe it. It's wonderful. Put it in whatever bowl you want and enjoy. But take a few seconds, give it a nice decorative touch, and you'll take it to the next level. Sometimes we eat with our eyes too. Look. We prepared it in no time, and on top of that, we made it look this nice and this interesting with the chocolate. And with one more drop of jam, a real wonder. It's amazing that it's prepared so quickly and so easily. Plus, you can prepare it a day in advance, and it will give it that refreshing kick that I think works great. So go for it. This is delicious. A texture almost like rice pudding, but in a refreshing version. And also, this gives you an energy boost that lasts all day. And oats and chia have lots of health benefits. You have to take advantage of that. And if it tastes good on top of that, even better. And here we are. Tell me, what product do you use to take care of your health a little bit? I'm sure there's some food that's great for you. Tell me in the comments so we can all learn. Nice to meet you.